Hello friends, my name is Parth Kapse. I have completed my BE in Computer Engineering in last year 2017, and from last year to till this year I have searched and visited many of training centers because I want to make my career in software testing and I want to be a good software tester, so I want to take training in software testing. So one day I heard about STAD Solution and I visited STAD Solution and I found it very good because it provides the world-class training as well as practical knowledge, and the main part is that you have to pay money after you got placed. So this is the best place I have ever met, and I have got the best training, and I have got my first job as a software tester from STAD Solution. So I recommend you to all to join STAD Solution and be sure about your future.